Hello YouTube, this is Two Cool Stu. It's going to be a short update, update 3 of the blizzard that's in New York City and the whole Northeast. It's January 2nd to the 3rd, 2014. I don't want to open this window because I'm going to make too much noise, but it is super windy out. I don't know if, I think you guys can see how hard the snow is blowing. I'm looking at the phone right now. So it looks like there's about this pretty huge, big amount of snow right now. Looks like the streets have been plowed a bit, but a lot of snow. It's very windy. I'm laying here and I can hear the window. So, we go out there, but that's kind of dangerous. 3 o'clock in the morning, no one's there. Everyone else crazy gotta be out here. So I would love to measure the snow. I'm going to say, it's been 3 hours since the last video, so I'm going to say maybe an extra inch or so. 2 inches perhaps. Yeah, that's a good estimate. It is 5-6 inches on the ground right now. Look at that wind. Look at that wind blow. It's just crazy. Yeah, so probably school will be closed tomorrow. This is ridiculous. Being 2 hours in the morning, no one's going to be in school. Thanks for watching. I'll have another video in the morning. See you guys.